A British warship has shot down a suspected attack drone in the Red Sea, the defense secretary has said. HMS Diamond, a Type 45 destroyer, successfully destroyed the target on Saturday, Grant Shapps said. The Ministry of Defense said it was the first time in decades the Royal Navy had shot an aerial target in anger. The MOD did not say who was behind the incident, but Yemen's Houthi rebels have claimed responsibility for recent attacks in the Red Sea. The Houthis have targeted foreign ships in the area since the start of the Israel-Hamas war. They have declared support for Hamas and have said they were targeting ships traveling to Israel.